Is a 2005 Mercedes-Benz SLK350. I'm told this is an AMG version, or has the AMG package to it. I'm not too familiar with these Mercedes, so I cannot confirm or deny. But the VIN number tells me that it is an AMG, or has the AMG body package on it. As you can see here, it's missing the front bumper cover. The headlights, I don't see any damage, but you can see that they're unbolted here. And then obviously up here, but the tabs look fine, they're just not bolted in. This one here, same thing, there and up there. Obviously the headlights are loose in here, but they don't damage in any way, shape, or form there. See, everything here in the front is all nice, true and straight. The car is running right now. The cooling looks good. Shut the hood there, you can see the lines line up there, very nice. I don't see anything on this side of the car at all that jumps out at me that you need to know. In the trunk here, there's a bag of bunch of miscellaneous odds and ends, nuts and bolts, brackets, looks like some floor mats here, and that's all that's in the trunk. Rear of the car is fine. The driver's side, I've noticed here, you can see the door is a little, I don't know what happened here, if the door slid back or if they're supposed to be that tight, but I see a little paint chip there. The door opens and shuts just fine, there's no issues with that part of it. On the front side of the door, there's no big gaps here or anything, but I don't know. And here you can see there's a little scratch in the door that might buff out. We haven't tried. On this fender, there's a couple of, looks like most of this will buff out. There's just a couple of little nicks in the bumper there. I definitely wouldn't paint that, I guess, if I was building the car. So I need the front bumper cover. I don't have any of the front bumper pieces at all. Go ahead and show you the underside of the car. Headlights unplugged here, so that's why they don't turn on. The tires look brand spanking new. Front ones do anyway. We'll go around and look at the backs. Very nice, very clean interior. No tears or rips or anything on this side. Rear tires here as well. You can see that they also look brand new. I believe the AMG body package, I believe it gives you this here. The ground effects there on the side have a little bulge in them, makes it look a little bit more sportier. Again, I'm not a Mercedes expert, so I can't confirm or deny. I don't know if these wheels, I don't know what the TSW there stands for, but maybe they're a Mercedes wheel, maybe they're not. This ground effect on this side here, I can see there's a few nicks and scratches. I'm assuming it's from somebody's shoe getting in and out of the driver door quite often. On the inside door, it's missing a little plastic sill plate that snaps over the top here. I don't have that piece at all. And then in the interior, it's missing the knee bag down here, and then of course the steering wheel. The steering wheel bag. The interior of the car's got 57,853 miles. Of course, the airbag light's on because of the airbag. Check engine light's on. Not sure why. Everything seems to run fine. Can't find any other faults in the car whatsoever. Of course, radio works excellent. We'll go ahead and put the top up for you. Windows are going up and the trunk shutting. Okay. We'll go for a little drive here. Car runs and drives great. I'm sure the check engine light's on because something's disconnected in the car. Your phone's not installed. Car runs pretty good here going down the road. Steering wheel's pretty good and straight. You can see I'm letting go of it. We're still going straight down the road here just fine. So you get almost a full tank of gas there, 3/4 of a tank, just over. Here we get the all the Mercedes cup holders there. Little ashtray down here. Of course, your emergency brake. Your glove box, you got a 6-inch CD changer. The temperature of the car is running just fine. If you have any questions, feel free to email us. Thank you.